Hello guys, once again Mr. Eclis in front of you from the channel of How to Learn Vidya with a new chapter which I have already promised in the last class. जो last class में मैंने promise किया था, I had to teach you, Mensa I will have to teach you about the chapter of a verb. Okay, so see what is verb. First of all, what is verb? Okay, in Hindi people say that is kriya. It's a very interesting chapter. Just try to understand properly. See, that word shows in action is called verb. वैसा सब जो एक्शन में हो वो हमारा क्रिया कहलाता है. As for example, look at here. Is, can, will, play, spoken, etc. Okay, that word shows in action is called verb. Is, can, will, play, spoken, etc. So many words are present in a verb. Okay, similarly, look at here. How many parts? It has two parts. It has two parts. इसके दो parts होते हैं. Somebody say principal verb. Somebody say main verb. But when I teach you, I must say the main verb. Okay. Now the second part. The real meaning is that auxiliary verb. Somebody say it's a helping verb. Somebody say it's a supporting verb. And now the new word is that anomalous. As far as the chapter is concerned, for your benefit, I want to say the Hindi. See, मुख्य क्रिया. If you don't stop me, I will teach you in a whole English. But for your benefit, if I use the Hindi, so sorry. Principal verb, main verb, auxiliary verb, helping verb, supporting verb, anomalous. Now come to the point. What is the main verb? Look at this line. Main verb. That verb which embellishes the sentence as well as it gives the real meaning of sentence. The real meaning of sentence. See? Now the example, look at here. Here the example present for that. See, go, we can say went, we can say gone. Etc. Now the parts of main verb. How many parts of main verb? According to the grammar, it has three parts. See, number one, present. Number two, past. And number third is called past participle. Past participle. Look at that line. Present, past, past participle. Okay? In the grammar, only these three has present. Right? As far as the example is concerned, see, it's go, second bent, third gone, speak, spoke, spoken, write, wrote, written. Look at that. In the newly is in the CBSE board, these three had been set base form. Okay. Now see, somebody say this first one is MB1, this second is MB2, and this third is MB3. But while my teaching, I will say V1, V2, and V3. Look at this line. According to the grammar, it has three parts. But my dear, first of all, just try to understand why did I say according to the grammar. Now, according to the spoken or practical English, it has 5 parts. Once again I am repeating, it has 5 parts. Look at it. The first one, we have to write uses of main verb. The first one is V1. Now where we can use this first one? See, V1, it means present tense, past tense, and future tense. It means we will use in these three: present tense, past tense, future tense. Such we go the example like that. Go. Now second one, V2, only in past tense. Once again I am repeating, only in past tense. But for the positive sentence of past indefinite only. Right? So we can say bent. See? Look at that. We can say example like I go. Here we can say I bent. Right? I did not come. Sorry, I did not go. Did I go? And the why did I go? Look at this 4 example. Right? Here the matter of fact, once we start to read, then we find these kind of things are present in this particular chapter. Similarly, third one, V3, present tense, past tense, as well as the future tense. A very interesting chapter. Convert in gone. See, we can say I have gone. See, this is the great usable for you all to learn about that one. Gone. See, so past participle only perfect will be not made, as well as passive voice. There is no any passive voice where the V3 will not come. For your beneficial, once again I am repeating in Hindi. होता ऐसा है कि V1 का यूज हम प्रेजेंट में करते हैं, पास्ट में करते हैं, फ्यूचर में करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल दे दिया. V2 का यूज ओनली पास्ट टेंस में करते हैं, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर टेंस, इसका तीनों में करते हैं. V3 का यूज. नाउ इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर which is going to teach by me. This is called V4. First of all, in the tenses present, past and future tense, हम इसको तीनों में यूज कर सकते हैं. See, but where 2 things, whether you just go the simple continuous or whether you just go perfect continuous. Such we can say that I am going. Okay, or we can say I have been going. Okay, in the last class already I have said that the real perfect continuous is this one. Okay, since for it just a time preposition, and time preposition can come any kind of sentence. Time preposition, tense is a time. In Hindi, for your beneficial once again I'm saying क्रिया के करने में जो समय लगता है उसे हम काल कहते हैं, right? If anybody says to you that time preposition come as far as the sense for is that perfect continuous, this is absolutely wrong, right? Here the example, see बनाते कैसे है, तो V1 plus ing, V1 plus ing is called V4. It's quite simple for you all that V1 plus ing, right? So we can say here going. I have given example of continuous as well as perfect continuous. Now the fifth one, very interesting, that is called only in present tense. Only in present tense. Look at it. Go plus s oblique es is called goes. In short, किसी भी V1 के आखिरी में s नहीं तो es लगाते हैं तो वो मेरा V5 बन जाता है. It is used in present indefinite with third person singular number. Only in positive sentences. You can say like assertive, affirmative, declarative, whatever you wanna say. You're quite easy. Similarly for you all that, अगर हम इसका यूज करने जाते हैं तो सिर्फ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट के पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में होता है. कैसे होता है? Look at it. He goes. We can say he does not go. We can say does he go. And the why does he go. Look at it. It was the short introduction of a verb. Now the rest of the class which I have to teach, the chapter is how to convert V1 into V5 and how to convert V2 into V3. Okay, so thank you.